Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Dermaco Transelic Pigmentation Corrector Serum. Now this is a new launch by Dermaco, and if you have the problem of pigmentation, be it any kind, if you have like hyperpigmentation around your nose, around your mouth, some people have it on their neck, or if you have melasma, or even if you have acne marks, this serum is going to come very handy to you. It's a very powerful serum and it's got just the right ingredients in order to correct all of that pigmentation, fade it away and make your skin more clearer. This serum is a powerhouse of two of the best active ingredients to correct pigmentation. That is 3% of tranexamic acid and 10% of azelaic acid. Both of these are amazing to reduce any pigmentation that you have on your skin. Now tranexamic acid helps to reduce melanin production. Melanin is the enzyme that's responsible for any uneven darkness that you have on your skin. So suppose if you have a dark spot or if you have an entire pigmented patch, it's because right under there, deep down into the layers of your skin, there's a lot of melanin production. So when tranexamic acid penetrates deep into your skin, it targets all of that melanin production and reduces it. And when the melanin production is reduced, all the darkness that you have, all the pigmentation that you have lightens and it fades away. So your skin becomes more even toned. So that is how tranexamic acid helps to lighten pigmentation. Moreover, this has azelaic acid, and azelaic acid helps to target acne marks and any redness that you have on your skin, and it makes your skin more clearer. So the combination of both of these ingredients is amazing. It's bomb in clearing out your skin and in improving your complexion and getting a more even toned complexion. The serum is literally the powerhouse of two of the most amazing active ingredients, and this is a dermatologically designed serum and it's super safe to use. Even if you have sensitive skin, this is still going to work really well for you. It's fragrance free and it does not irritate the skin at all. So if you have the problem of pigmentation, melasma or acne marks, you can try out the serum, and trust me, if you use it just for 2 weeks, you will start noticing a visible difference in the amount of pigmentation that you have. It's going to fade away all of that pigmentation really effectively. So I highly recommend you try out this serum for pigmentation issues. Apart from this, I also recommend you wear a sunscreen. Sunscreen लगा के बाहर निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. If you step out in the sun without wearing any sunblock, then the sun is going to cause a lot of tanning, and not just that, but the harmful rays of the sun, the harmful UVA rays of the sun damage the skin so badly, causing your skin to age more, causing all of that pigmentation that you have to increase. So you have to wear a sunscreen every single time that you step out in the sun. Moreover, if you're using any active ingredient based skincare, if you're using this serum या कोई भी other products that you're using that contain active ingredients, then these products make your skin sensitive to the sun. So if you don't wear a sunscreen, the sun is going to cause you even more problems. So wear a good sunscreen. The one that I recommend the most is by the Dermaco. This is their 1% hyaluronic acid long lasting sunscreen. This is again a new launch by Dermaco, and it's a long lasting sunscreen which is one of its kind in India. लॉन्ग लास्टिंग का मतलब ये है कि आपको दूसरे सनस्क्रीन्स की तरह इसको हर 2 घंटे में रीअप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड टू रीअप्लाई इट एवरी 2 hours. यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई दिस वंस एंड इट विल लास्ट यू फॉर 6 hours, विच इज़ such a remarkable period. And 6 घंटे से ज़्यादा तो most of us don't even go out in the sun, right? Like बहुत कम लोग हैं जो 6 घंटे से ज़्यादा sun में रहते, but people like you and me, we usually go out and come back within 6 hours. So if you just apply this, there is absolutely no need for reapplication. ये लगा के आप बाहर निकल सकते हो and कोई भी reapplication की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This will provide you with sun protection for 6 remarkable hours. And सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये स्वेट रेजिस्टेंट है, वाटर रेजिस्टेंट है, विच मीन्स कि अगर आप गर्मी में भी बाहर निकलते हो, अगर आपकी स्किन स्वेट होती है तो भी ये सनस्क्रीन निकल नहीं आएगा. द सनस्क्रीन विल स्टिल स्टे ऑन योर स्किन एंड प्रोवाइड यू विद सन प्रोटेक्शन. सिमिलरली जैसे अभी मानसून का सीजन चल रहा है, अगर आप बाहर निकलते हो एंड सपोज यू गेट वेट इन द रेन्स, even if you get wet, the sunscreen is not going to wear off. It will still stay on your skin and provide you with sun protection. So the sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 PA 4+, which is a great amount of UVA protection, and it also gives you UVB protection. ये sunscreen सिर्फ blue light protection नहीं देता, unlike the original hyaluronic acid sunscreen by the Dermaco. That gives you blue light protection as well. ये आपको indoor protection नहीं देता, but outdoors के लिए ये best sunscreen है. इससे better sunscreen और कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. Like this is the best one out there. So make sure that you apply sunscreen every single time that you step out of the house during the daytime, क्योंकि sunscreen नहीं लगाओगे तो pigmentation के जो issues है वो और बढ़ जाएंगे. So make sure that you apply sunscreen, and to treat your pigmentation issues you can use the Dermaco Transelic Pigmentation Corrector Serum. This is really good and it's a very powerful serum to treat the problem of pigmentation. तो अगर आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करना चाहते हो देन दे आर ऑल अवेलेबल ऑन Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purplle, or you can also shop them from Dermaco's website and use my discount code RIA2024 for a 20% off. Every single time that you place an order on Dermaco's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. So far they have already helped more than 20,000 students, which is such a good thing that Dermaco has done. Moreover, ये दोनों products fragrance free है, तो अगर आपकी skin sensitive है फिर भी ये products आपको suit करेंगे. So if you happen to try out these products, do let me know in the comment section below your experience of using them. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. You can also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. That was my review on Dermaco Transelic Pigmentation Corrector Serum. Let me know in the comments below which other products would you like me to review. And yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.